and welcome back to another monthly reset. Can you believe that it's 2024? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Excuse the hair and the face and everything. It's December at the moment. It's hot. Let's just get into it. If you've been here for a while, we all know that I start my monthly resets with baking something or making something in the kitchen that I've wanted to make or I've really loved this month. And since we hit 1,000 subscribers, can you believe it? Since we hit 1,000 subscribers, I thought that we would bake something as a little celebration to that. So we're gonna bake a little cake. So firstly, I'm just tracing the tin to get the right shape for the baking paper and cutting that out so it fits nicely in the tin. If you want to bake along with me, the ingredients you'll need are just on the screen and they'll also be down in the description with the baking instructions. My kitchen looks like pretty much every time after I cook. It's just literally an absolute pigsty. And the floor, Cosmo's just licking up all the flour that came out of the cake bowl. Cooking is meant to be fun and messy and you don't need to have a perfect kitchen. The cake is in the oven. I apologize if you can hear the fan in the background, but I am so hot right now. Like I can't do anything without the fan, but I just figured while that's in the oven, we have 13 minutes to go after I cleaned up the entire kitchen. I want to do little like numbers and letters on top of the cake in fondant, but I didn't want to just go out and buy like number and letter like stencil like cookie cutters sort of things. So I'm gonna go into Adobe Illustrator. I'm gonna pick my favorite like bubbly font and I'm gonna put the one with then 3 zeros and then the letters to make up the word subscribers. And then I'm gonna print that out. I'm gonna cut them all out individually. I know it's a lot of work. And then I'm just gonna like carve it out with a knife and put it on because I don't want to spend so much money on little cookie cutters that I'm never gonna use again, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we're gonna go the long way around. Yeah, I'm excited.
I think this is a disaster. It'll take you 7 hours.
Do you think so?
Yeah. I mean, give it a go.
I thought this was the best case scenario.
Oh. I mean, good luck.
Thank you.
I don't think you'll ever cut the center out of that C or the B. I just like
too small.
You'll have to do it with like a toothpick. Like it'll.
Oh yeah.
No, that wasn't a suggestion. that was a don't do it because of this.
So I went through so many steps and so much effort to try and get this to work, but everything was going wrong and it was so incredibly hot. So in the end, I decided to scrap this whole idea and just go with a different method. We've so zoomed in. So I did have the whole like numbers and letters thing planned, but this cake has taken me pretty much all day. It is stinking hot today. Like I'm dripping in sweat, which is really disgusting. So I think I might just pipe 1,000 onto it. That's not how I pictured it, and I'm definitely not a cake expert by any means. So if you're a cake decorator, I'm so sorry that you just had to sit through that and watch me decorate this cake. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna try and pipe 1,000 and then call it a day. Cake decorating is hard. This cake is definitely not how I expected it to turn out, but I don't bake cakes very often, so I'd say this is a win in my eyes, even doing the little piping around the edges. And I honestly can't believe that we've made it to 1,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. I'm so grateful for every single one of you who watch my videos and yeah, who are just supporting me, and yeah, I'm just so grateful. But if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. You would have known by now if you've made it this far that I try a lot of things and fail at a lot of things, but at least we made a cake. But anyway, with that cake done, let's get into the other part of the monthly reset. Thank you. Beautiful. Hi, welcome to my new little office. It's definitely not finished and nothing is organized yet. So many loud cars around here today. But yeah, let's go through the numbers part of the monthly reset. So as always, I'm just going to log into my Notion. So I'm currently in Notion and I'm going to head over to my habits and see what we achieved this month. So first one is 5,000 steps 5 times. I don't think I achieved this one because I don't have my phone in my pocket all the time. Like I'm aware that I'm doing 5,000 steps pretty much every single day, but because I don't take my phone everywhere, it doesn't calculate the steps. Anyway, there's no excuses, so if the stats say no, it's a no. So I did on the 2nd of December, so that's 1, the 7th, the 15th, and that's it. So I only did 3. We cannot tick that one off, so I will cross that one out. I also really need to fix my trackpad because it's playing up. Anyway, upload 4 videos. Yes, I have uploaded 4 videos, so I can tick that one off. 777 subscribers was my goal last month, and my China video blew up. Like, it's now my best performing video on this channel, which it just blows my mind. It makes me so happy that you guys love my China vlog. And so the number of subscribers we have at this current point of filming is 1,169, which, oh, it just changed, 1,170. That blows my mind. That blows my mind. Wow, I'm so incredibly grateful. Thank you so much if you're new here. Like, I can't thank you enough. I'm so excited that there are so many more people here in this little community. I absolutely love it. Work out once a week. No, I did not do that. Go to the beach once a week. I did do that. Start marketing. I did not do that. So, 3 out of 6. Average. Okay, let's go up to the YouTube tracking. So we've got 1,170. Blows my mind. That's, oh my god, that's double what I had in September this year. Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, how many watch hours do we have? We have 6,389. And the views, we have 142,705. That's crazy. That's so insane. How cool is that? Okay, so this is actually going to be really tricky to gauge what next month's is going to be, because I don't think we're going to have as much like traffic and as much growth as last month, because that was one video taking off and then it's sort of just going to even out a bit. but I also don't want to lowball myself like I did last month. This is tricky. Okay, I think maybe we'll go... Actually, how many subscribers did we get? We got 446 subscribers in the past 28 days. So maybe half of that is a good amount because it's not going to be one video completely taking off. Maybe I'll go 1,300. Yep, that's going to be my new goal. Sorry, that took me way too long to decide. Okay, 1,300 subscribers. This is future editing me popping in just to say I've changed my subscriber goal because it is currently the last day of the year as I'm editing this, and it's gonna go up today, and we're already at 1,219, and I think we can do more. So I'm gonna set the new goal to 1,500. Imagine if we hit that. How exciting. Anyway, back to the video. Upload 4 videos, I still want to do that. 5,000 steps 5 times, I still want to do that. Work out once a week. I know I'm not going to achieve that. I'll put it on there anyway. It is a good thing to have. Go to the beach once a week. I do want to do that. Start marketing. You know what, maybe I'll just go order next batch of stickers. Cool. I think in the new year I'm gonna sort of revamp this because I feel like I don't really have much to say in the form of like habits, and I'm sort of keeping all the same monthly goals, and I'm just writing down a few statistic numbers, and it's not really the full monthly reset goal setting habits thing that I want. Like, I want a bit more out of it. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one because the format will be a little bit different. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great 2024. Thank you for watching my videos this year, and yeah, I hope you have a really, really great start to 2024. I will see you next year. Bye.